how the world is created. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. This is the earth. It was formless, and the water hovering over it. God was hovering it. First day, and God said, "There be light. Let there be light," and there was light. So God created light. God saw that the light was good, and He separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And God said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the sky to separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark seasons and days and years, and let them be lights in the expanse of the sky to give light on the earth." Light. And there was evening, and there was morning. The first day. And God said, "Let there be an expanse between the waters to separate water from water." So basically the clouds, rain, and this water, the seas. So God made the expanse and separate the water from the expanse from the water above, and it was so. God called the expanse sky, and it was evening, and there was morning the second day. And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. So God created the dry ground land, and the gathered water He called seas. And God saw that it was good. Okay. Dry ground and the sea. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it according to their various kinds." And it was so. Plants and trees. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seeds in it according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. Trees, plants, day 3. And there was evening, and there was morning. The third day. God made 2 great lights, the greater light to govern the day, and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. So we have the sun and the moon and the stars. God set them in the expanse of the sky to give light on the earth, to govern the day and the night, and to separate light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the 4th day. The daytime sun, and the nighttime moon and stars. Day 4. And God said, "Let the water teem with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the sky." So God created great creatures of the sea, and every living and moving thing with which the water teems according to the kinds, and every winged bird according to the kind. And God saw that it was good. So birds, creatures, sea animals. Day 5. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and increase in numbers, and fill the water in the seas, and let the birds increase on the earth." And there was evening, and there was morning, the 5th day. So the animals, the birds and the sea creatures are created on the 5th day. 5th day. And God say, let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, livestock, creatures that move along the ground, and wild animals, each according to its kind. And it was so. Day 6. God made the wild animals according to their kinds, the livestock according to their kinds, and all the creatures that move along the ground according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, let us make man in our image, in our likeness, and let them rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the air, over the livestock, over all the earth, and over all the creatures that move along the ground. Humans created. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God he created him, and male and female he created man. God blessed them and said to them, be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it, rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the air, and over every living creatures. Then God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it, that will be yours for food, and to all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds of the air, and all the creatures that move on the ground, everything that has the breath of it, I give every green plant for it. And it was so. God saw that he had made, and it was good. And it was evening, it was morning, the 6th day. Thus the heavens and the earth were created in all their vast array. So the 7th day God had finished the work he had been doing. And so on the 7th day he rested from all his work. And God blessed the 7th day and made it holy, because he rested on all the work. So God rested.